To edit photos on Google Pixel 9 Pro or Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, we first need to open the Google Play Store and we're going to search for Photos, and we want to have Google Photos installed, and if there's an update available, you need to install the update. So Google Photos is where the photos are stored on a Pixel and also where we edit the photos. So if I want to edit something, let's say, I'll select this photo here, and then we have the edit option, which we can select. And with Google Pixel, you do have some exclusive editing features. So if we select the Tools option, you have all of these exclusive Google features. Some eventually have rolled out to other devices, like Magic Eraser was Pixel 6 only back in the day. Now it's for more phones. And so these tools are self-explanatory. Magic Eraser will just erase stuff which is in the background. So if I don't like this lamp, I'll just circle it and it should just get rid of it. You have the Zoom Enhance. This is another of those AI features. And what this will do is, you can zoom into an image, right? And it'll use AI to make the image high quality still. So let's say, do like that. And then we'll crop and enhance. So I just made it my side of my face, high quality. If we go back into the edit here, we also have this Magic Editor. So not to be confused with Magic Eraser, this is Magic Editor, and this is another AI suite for the Google Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL. So this one, let's say this background here, I'm just going to select the background, and then I can reimagine this. So I reimagine as a blue sky, and it will just essentially recreate your picture. So wait for that to generate. So I had to say reimagine as pink, and you can see it puts pink in the background. And you also have the erase, which you can do as well, just like the Magic Editor. For generating images, there is this new app as well. So if I just scroll down, and we're looking for the Pixel Studio, this one here. And so with this one, you can generate images from scratch, but also you can use existing images you've taken as well. So let me find one. See this hand here. So we'll use this. And so inside this one, there's no real AI features here yet, but you can add a caption, which is kind of like a watermark. So if I add that one and I'll move it, you can see it's like a watermark. I'll save that. We also have other tools, so you can add stickers here. And also, if we tap on the empty space, we can then make this a sticker. So we'll just use the foreground and remove the background. So you can send that as an image, or you can erase the background like that. Maybe in the future they'll add like AI generation, so you can like generate an AI version of that image. But yeah, this is the basic suite.